Hey guys, welcome back to Icesoft Original. And couple of days ago we learned so many things about Visual Studio, and today's lesson is going to be on if statement, how to work along with if statement in Visual Studio. If you missed the tutorials we did or the lessons we learned so far, you can just visit my channel and then you can watch that one again before you can be good to go. Yeah, so guys, before we start this today's lesson, don't forget to subscribe, share and like the video for more exciting videos by clicking that little bell icon there to get notified anytime we upload an exciting video online. So let's get started. Now, to work with if statement, let's add a button, one button. Let's add one label right there. Let's add one label, then let's add one text box right there. Okay, now let's rearrange something here. So let's bring this here, let's extend this a little bit right there. Okay, then let's add a label here. Now for the label, let's adjust some font size to see how best the label works. Perfect. So yeah, there you go. Okay, then let's say this button, let's work along with the button size and let's choose maybe 12 for an example. That is it. Then let's say let's say tell me something. Okay, so let's say answer, right? Yeah, let's say answer. Now we are going to tell what the labels should do. Right now, let's add another label, and bear in mind this is label 1, this is label 1, and this is label 2, and we will get to know what it will be doing by using the if statement. Right, so let's quickly double click on the button. Now on the button, let's work along with the codes. Now we are going to say that if our text box, one dot text equals to, we want it to say something. So if our text box one dot text equals to if our text box one dot text equals to what is your name. Okay, let's say if text box one dot text equals to who created this software, then our first label, that is the label 1 the text, should be Icesoft Original, right? And then we are going to say that the label 2 the text also should be correct, right? Correct answer. So let's do some cross-check, basic cross-checks here by using the if statement. So we said that if our text box one dot text equals to who created this software, then the label 1 dot text should be Icesoft Original, and then the label 2 dot text should be correct answer. Right, so let's go back here, and then on the label 1 and then the label 2, label 1. So let's rename the label 1 to tell give out a question. Right, so let's say give out a question, and then on the label let's call this verification. verification status, right? So there you go, verification status. Now let's start it once again and see. We are going to use if statement to work along with all these stuffs. So there you go. So we are going to say that who created this software, right? Then the answer is going to be iCsoft original, and then this is going to be correct answer, as you can see right here, correct answer. Now let's see if we type anything wrong here, and when we click it, we want it to tell us something, right? So let's go inside our answer, and we are going to say else if text box 1 the text equals to nothing. If the person didn't type anything there, then we want a message box from our previous lesson we did. So we want a message box to pop up, right? We want a message box to show by telling the person type something here, right? Then after that, our text box, that is our text box 1, should be focused, right? Okay, then let's say that else if the person didn't type the correct, that is who created this software, in the text box, then it should give us a message box telling us that, telling the person that wrong question asked, right? Please ask the original question, right? So there you go. And that one too, we want the text box 1 to focus. Then yeah, okay, we want the text box 1 to focus. Okay, so when it says that, then we are going to say that the label 2 dot text equals to wrong answer, right? All right, so there you go. We should add one end if right there. Okay, so there you go. So we used if statement throughout. If and then we have else, then it says something, right? Okay, so let's start it up and see how best it works. So this is it. Now let's type anything here and let's see. Now there you go, wrong question asked. Please ask the original question. Then it just focused here, and then we can work along with it so that it can clear the test, right? So when we say wrong question asked, text box 1 dot focus, then we can say that text box 1 dot clear, right? So it'll clear every text in it. So let's try that one and see. There you go. Okay, then it just clear it, and then it tells you that wrong answer. So you can go ahead and then work along with that, and then you can say that the label 2 dot for color, the label 2 dot for color equals to color dot maybe red, and it's kind of cool. It's going to work. So that is it. Let's say this is it. We just type anything here, and then you can see that it says wrong answer, and then the color turns to red. That is how we use if statement. And then let's see if we didn't type anything there. It just says that type something here, and actually it's gonna work perfect. So when we are able to type, let's say who created this software, then definitely it's going to give us the correct answer. That is it, the correct answer right there. That is iSoft Original. So thanks guys for watching this very tutorial, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Until we meet again, have a nice day and bye bye.